Nag-message ako dito sa support o customer service ng World Up.
Ayan, nagtanong lang ako dito. Okay. Para makausap mo yung tao mismo dito or yung customer service na tao. Kasi dito, meron na silang mga naka-ready na reply. Okay? So, hindi talaga yung customer service na tao yung makakausap mo.
Sinagot ko lang ng pagganito.
Ayan. Other, no, I have different issue. So, ayan. So, none of this. Yan yung mga sagot ko. So, sabi niya, no problem. I'll transfer your case to a specialist for further assistance. In the meantime, please upload the screenshot of the issue and visit our help center for more information. So, actually, hindi ako nag-send ng any screenshot dito.
Agad-agad naman nag-reply itong customer service na si Noel.
Sabi niya, hello, my name is Noel, and I'll be assisting you today. May I know how can I help you today? So, ayan. So, sinabi ko lang naman yung problema ko. Actually, yung nakakausap ko na dito is tao na to, customer service ng World Up. Okay? So, sabi ko, nagtanong lang ako tungkol dito sa invites. Kung halimbawa nakatapos ka na ng maximum na 10 invites, makaka-receive ka pa ng reward. Okay, sinagot niya naman. So, sabi niya, I see. As you've already successfully invited 10 people, which is the maximum amount of invites, you are welcome to keep inviting other users to join World Up, but you will not receive reward for further invites after 10. So, wala nang reward pala after 10 invites. So,
pero sabi dito, pwede pa namang mag-invite, pero wala na nga ng reward. Okay?
So, I hope I have answered your question. Please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. So, nag-thank you na lang ako. So, nasagot naman yung tanong ko. So, sabi niya, of course, you are very much welcome. I'm glad I was able to resolve your concern. Thank you again for using World Up. We appreciate your trust and we're always here to help. If you have any other questions or concerns, please reach out anytime by opening a new ticket through the support page. Just select Start New and include any relevant screenshots. Have a great day ahead, sabi niya. So, ayan, agad-agad naman nag-reply yung customer service at ang nakausap ko mismo ay ang customer service na tao dito sa World Up. Okay.
Dito kayo magsulat or mag-type ng message sa customer service or any concern ninyo. Then, dito naman yung screenshot ninyo na about sa concern ninyo. Okay.
Okay. So, sabi dito, write your experience. Okay. Update ako dito, binigyan ko sila ng thumbs up. Okay, then, submit feedback kasi, binigyan sila ng thumbs up kasi mabilis naman yung reply nila. At saka nakausap ko yung mismong customer service nila. Okay. Okay.